anymore, it's running at its full speed. Lock all the doors, turn off the lights, don't make a sound and muffle your screams or it'll be punching you to the floor, shooting you with its gun. Hard pulling right through your suit, the only thing it uses is tongue. Stay on the run or it's gonna come and use his bare hands and twist on your neck or sneak up behind you holding a knife and stabbing you till you fall to your death. We're the only ones left, you're holding your breath, but you better move before it's too late. So if you don't seal up that doorway, then you are sealing your fate.
Keep your feet moving steady right behind.